You won't believe what I saw today.
I spent the whole day observing these majestic cheetahs.
From their watchful gazes to their chill feeding routines, it's amazing how relaxed they can be. But the absolute best part was witnessing their playful, affectionate side up close. Seriously, these gentle giants are just big, cuddly cats.
What an unforgettable day.